In this video, we are going to discuss about shopping campaigns in Microsoft Ads or Bing Ads. So for that, one you need to log into your Microsoft Ads dashboard, right? And after that, you have to click on this create. Otherwise, you can go to campaigns and again campaigns over here, and you can also click create option over here. Otherwise, you want to import it from Google Ads, you can also import from Google Ads. If you have already shopping campaigns, you can import from here, right? So you can click either here create or this create. Okay, let me just click on create. You will be seeing the goal of this campaign. I'll be skipping this. You have a skip option. And next you have shopping. We have discussed about search campaigns. If you want to check out this video, you can go to the channels, or else I'll give the link in the description. You can check out the video about search campaigns. Now we are going to discuss about shopping campaigns. Okay, in case you have a e-commerce store, right? You have products you're selling on your e-commerce store. You want to run campaigns for that online store. You can choose this shopping campaigns. Okay, I'll click over here and you will have three options. One is audience, one is search, and one is smart shopping. So audience include, you can show your product ads on different Microsoft platforms like Edge browser, MSN, Microsoft Start, Outlook, and other platforms, right? We will choose each of this one, and we will look at the options inside. Okay, I have selected audience over here and I clicked on continue, right? And you have to give a campaign name which is easily understood, and which helps us understand what are all there inside this campaign, right? So next one is store settings. So for this purpose, you must have already created a store. So in case you have not created a store, let me go back and show you how to do that. I'm just clicking on cancel for now. Okay, so you can go to tools over here. I have an option of merchant center, but in case you don't have this option, you can go to tools over here and go to content and data, and you will see this option merchant center. You have this pin option. You click on pin and you will see this option in the left side. Okay, you can pin and unpin any of them which you want to see over here. Okay, now I have kept it pinned, so it has come over here. Now let me just go to merchant center, and here you can create your stores. Okay, this is Microsoft Merchant Center, which is similar to Google Merchant Center. When I click on create store, you will have two options. You can create your store yourself, or else if you already have a Google Merchant Center, you can import that over here, right? So let me just show you this option. This is easy to do. You can connect your Google account and it will be automatically imported. Okay, and after selecting this, click on next. Write your store name and what type of validation you want to do. Your domain validation. In case on your domain you have already placed UET tag, you can leave it as it is. In case you don't have placed UET tag, which is universal event tracking, right? And next is validated via Bing Webmaster Tools. In case you already have Bing Webmasters, you can choose this one, right? I'll just keep this as store 3, right? And you have your domain selected, and click on next, and you can give your email ID. Okay, and click on store, create store, and you will have the store created. Okay, let me just put my email ID. Store name is already there. We go back and give a different name. Okay, now the store is created. Again, I'll click on Merchant Center, right? Summary. I'll just go back from here. There are multiple stores over here, right? You can delete your store as well. But in case you want to edit, I'll click on edit, right? You have same options over here. If I go inside the store, you will have feed, you have import. Okay, you want to import it, you can import from your Google, sign into your Google and it will be automatically imported. Okay, and feeds, right? You can create your feed of all your products, right? You can create feed. Again, you can have that from imported from Google Ads. Create feed over here, and you give the feed name and feed type, online product, local product. If you have that inventory update, you can choose that. Language, country of sale, which country it is, right? Next, your currency, and you have three options to submit your feed to Microsoft Ads. Manual upload via FTP, SFTP, automatically download from a URL. So manual upload is basically you will have to create your own file using your computer. So here is a sample text file you can download and have that format ready and upload from here, from this browse file. You can upload it. And next thing is automatically download the file from the URL. In case you have a website URL where all your products are updated in that particular link, you can give that link and give that username and password of that, and create a schedule, and the frequency, for how many days you can upload, set that frequency basically, right? Next one is upload via FTP. So you can take help of your developer who will be able to help you with uploading this via FTP or SFTP, right? Once you do that, create feed and it will appear over here, which will have all the products, right? So this is how you first create your store and create your products using your feed, right? And then you go to your shopping ads, right? Now again, I'll click on create over here, click on skip, I'll click on shopping, and then the first option, audience, and continue, right? So shopping audience, I'll leave this as it is, and this is a store. I'll select. If you have multiple stores, you can select. It will show store ID, name, and the active products over there. Okay, you have all products, and if you want to promote only some products by category, right, by label, by ID, or by brand, product type, you can do that. Okay, for now I'll just keep it all products. And so if you want to create different campaigns for different categories, so that is the best way to do, right? You can do that for each category, different campaigns. Next, conversions. So this is use the account included in conversion settings, keep it as it is, and next click on save and go to next step. And next is your targeting, where you have location targeting. First you have to choose any location you want to choose. For example, I'll just choose this as Canada and click on target. Okay, so I'll be targeting all of Canada here. And next is gender. I'll choose in case your products are relevant to a particular gender, you can choose that, or exclude one of them. Okay, age, if you think that your product doesn't suit a particular age group, you can always untick this. And next is targeting preferences, which is basically you will select your target audience. So you will have multiple lists over here. In case you have created remarketing lists, in case you have a customer data, right, you can select all those lists over here and target by them. So now we'll use in market, right? So in market is basically people who are researching currently on that particular topic, right? So which comes under in market. And which is, if you think that something is very relevant to you, you can always choose. For example, autos and vehicles, in case you are selling motorcycles. In case you are selling cars, you can always select here. In case you are selling car parts or anything like that, right? Let me just go to motor vehicles. You have cars and trucks, right? You have used, you have new, right? So let's just think that we are running a online sales related, where you will sell used vehicles, right? I'll just select this one, right? And so I have selected that. And so next we have company targeting. So in case you want to target a particular company, right, who are very much inclined towards buying your products, and definitely you can select some company, like for example Google. Let me just type Google, right? So you can select, target those people from that particular company, right? And industry, let's say your product belongs to a particular industry, right? You can always choose to, let's say you are selling some sports goods, right? Your store has sports related items which you are selling online, right? You can select this, right? So these are the industry options you have. And next is target jobs, like job functions. So in case you feel that your product is most sold to a particular job kind of a people, let's say your product is most sold, like it is being bought by some particular particular job function, you can always include that in your targeting. Okay. And you have more options. You have the dates. You want to have an end date, you can put an end date. Okay. And next is ad schedule. If you want to schedule your ads for all days or on particular days, what's the timing, you can choose over here. And next, save and go to next step, right? Next, here comes your budget. Okay. And you can choose your budget, how much you want to spend per day basis. Okay. And next comes your bid strategy. So bid strategy is basically what is your way of telling spending your budgets, right? You want to bid for more conversions, you want to bid for, you want to set a CPC basically, you want to have a particular target TCPA, like you want to have your CPA in certain average. Select that particular bid strategy which is according to your goal. Then I'll save and go to next step. And next is go live. Click on go live. So this is how you create your ads. And your ad, what you have created just now, is over here, and it will be shown to all the audience on the display network of Microsoft. Again, let's look at other options which are available under shopping, which is related to search. So basically, if people are searching for any products, you can show that ads on Bing search and also their partner search, some of the search engines like AOL, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, and there are a bunch of more search engines. Okay. And I'll click on continue, right? And give a campaign name. Okay. And same, you can choose the store ID and products. And this is, you have an option to enable local inventory, where you will be able to show your ads on the Bing maps, right? The maps and locations there. Again, you can choose your products, all products, or filter by your products. Okay. Conversions is same setting. And then next you go to next step. So here comes your location targeting. Again, you choose Canada. In case you want to target a particular city with a radius, you can also do that over here using this radius, right? Let's say you want to target Toronto, or maybe 25 miles around Toronto. I'll just click on target. So I don't want complete Canada, right? So I can do that, edit that. I can also increase that particular radius also over here. Okay, so this is how you can choose to target. And next is targeting preferences. You have device preferences, or you want to set some adjustments, you want to decrease by some percentage, you want to decrease the bits, you can do that. And click on more options. Same, the scheduling options, start and end date options you have. And next is ad distribution. In case you want to use entire Microsoft network, right, the sites and also additional partners which Microsoft has, you can choose to advertise all over. Otherwise, you can confine to Microsoft sites and some of the select partner traffic, right? So this is, which is all of the network. This is like some set of partners. Okay, and then click on save and go next. Set your budget over here. Choose your bid strategy. I'm just giving an example of bid strategy ROIs, and I'm going to, so basically you need to have a conversion goal. So we don't have a conversion goal. Let me just go back. So here you have to choose one of the conversion goals. Let me just choose this. Right, click on go live. So you will be going live. Okay, so this is second kind of an option. And next is your third option. Let me just go there. Shopping and smart shopping. So this is basically which is kind of a automated version of both of these two. You don't need to do much of a targeting and all of those over here. Just select this, click on continue, enter the campaign name, what's your budget, set your bid strategy, and click on next. Choose your store ID and your products. Okay, you can enable your local inventory ads. Click on next. Choose your locations, right? Choose your end dates, start and end dates, particular timing. Click save and exit. So this is how you create your shopping ads within the Microsoft Bing advertising platform. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, which helps me to do more and more videos. Thank you so much.